Hi everyone and welcome to this Me&B review. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new dishwasher. So it's the Hotpoint HFO3O32WGC. Rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? So let me just start by saying that our last dishwasher was just completely shocking. It really was. Things would come out dirty. It just didn't rinse very well. I could literally never wash glasses in it. They just come out, really scummy. And yes, we put in the rinse aid and the salt, and it wasn't user error. It just wouldn't wash well. And if you had on soiled food that had been maybe left for a couple of hours and it had dried, it just wouldn't wash it. So when we got this new Hotpoint one delivered yesterday, I was super excited to load it up and get going. I don't think I've ever been that excited about loading the dishwasher. So let's go take a look and we'll show you how it works. So here we are, let's open it up. So here we are, you can see our bottom rack and top rack. So up here on the top we've got this holder which you can put utensils and knives and things, and you can take this out as well. So let me just pop it on the side. Here you've got your places to pop all your glasses in. So you can pop wine glasses in like this, or you can stand up your, larger glasses, pint glasses and stuff like that here. You can pop them in there. Now you can also fold these holders down just like this. They're a little bit fiddly, but not too, once you get used to it, it's not too bad. So so just like that. So you can pop bigger things like pans and, bigger dishes or whatever you want to put. So I'm just going to pop these back anyway here. So next, let's open up the bottom rack and let's take a look inside the dishwasher. So let's get a good look inside at everything that's going on the bottom arm there, the wash arm. We'll zoom back out and I'll take you through everything at the bottom. So you've got your plate racks and these can fold down. You can just stack your plates wherever you want to. Okay, brilliant, I put it in the wrong one. So these fold down, you can move them about for bigger pots and pans. You've then got your cutlery drawers as well. So they've got spaces to put your knives and forks in. After using these for a couple of days, I'm finding them a little bit fiddly. So I do want to take these out, and I think you can. You can pop the racks anywhere as well. So, I'm just trying to pop them back in here. They've got the little spaces underneath. Yeah, so they just slot back in like that. So there's lots of room for all your dishes and plates. Next, let's take a look at all the different programs. So you've got 10 in total. It's worth having a look through the manual. They all do different things, lots of different programs. And now let's take a look at the display. So let's turn our dishwasher on. That's program 1, 3 hours and 10 minutes. So you can see there. You can change the program using the P setting here. Next up is the 3D zone, which I do want to talk about for a little bit. Now the 3D zone is pretty cool because you can basically focus the jets on the upper level or the bottom level. So if you've got pans that are covered in, soiled on food or it's been left there, you can pop on this 3D for upper and lower. You've next got the child lock. There's also a program to reduce the time of the main program. If you've only got a few things to wash. This next button is an extra dry button which extends the drying phase. So if you want to dry a little bit further, and this is the tablet button which you should press if you're using a tablet. You've next got a delay button if you want the dishwasher to start a bit later. And this is your regular on and off, and if you need to pause the cycle or drain it for whatever reason. So let's put our dishwasher to the test. I've got these pans here, they're covered in pasta sauce, which have been sat on the side for a day. And so let's load them in and we shall take a look at how this dishwasher performs. Right, in it goes. And for this, I'm going to select program 3, which is an auto normal wash at 55 degrees. So let's have a look here. Number 3. We're going to focus those 3D jets on the top level for those pans, and off we go. So after a couple of hours, let's see how this dishwasher has performed. Our last one was useless and it would just kind of re-burn food back on. Brilliant. So let's open it up here and let's take out that colander. Probably doesn't need a whole 2.5 hours rinse, does it? But hey ho. So let's just chuck that on the side. Let's have a look at our pans. Perfect. Love this dishwasher.